Ke Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Union kelapan pau ye ke Jingkiew hakabaide ber ke Jingkiew dor palat ke Dewbilat hakabah hakshiborni kela kiudor palat ya ke sispa tingka. Ke BJP ke Aipor laipo Sngi ya ke Sorkar ban Shimkia ban penhiar dor ya ke Dewbilat lem kumta ke seng kala berngam bakalong ke bakloi ban net ujor ru ya ke ni syadu ke yeng syari. Habakaran hakilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ke BJP uba Banshai Lang Khongwer ulang baki company penmi Dewbilat kibaran hakani ke jilla khamtam ha East Giant Hills District bakan top ke Star Cement ke Topsam ke Dalmia ke Hill Cement Best Cement ke Amrit Cement ke Goldstone Cement bat ke Max Cement kila penkiudor kensan bat halor kani ke jing penkiudor kensan ya ke Dewbilat la suba bakala bandan ai ha pedang ke Sorkar bat kini ki karkhana.
The issue here is that how can the price of a commodity can shut up all of a sudden from 280 to 400, which works out to be almost 35%. And the raise of the price is without any rhyme or reason. But the fact of the matter is that we know that the rates of all the raw materials has gone down. After the NGT ban, the rate of coal, which is prior the ban, is 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per metric ton. Now it has come down to 2,500 to 3,000 per metric ton. When the price of the material, of the raw material, are decreasing, how can the price of the product increase so much? And we also got the information that most of the raw materials are being dumped to comply with this NGT ban, which is very highly suspicious. We strongly demand the rollback in the price of cement immediately, or we will be compelled to take very stern actions. We demand the state government to regulate the price of cement in the state and to make it public. And we are giving the government and the cement factories 30 days time to comply with our demand. Otherwise, we will be compelled to take very stern action and even going to the court.